Go to the website of an app that you want to add to the user portal and log in with your credentials. If the browser extension matches the domain to a site in your user portal, a message would pop up asking you to update your existing account or if you want to add a new account for that app. If you click Update, Land and Catch will automatically update your credentials. To add another set of credentials, click Add. Enter the name of the site as you want it to appear in your user portal. Click More and enter a description or upload a custom app icon. This step is optional. Click Yes to add the app to your user portal. Once you complete the setup, the app tiles will appear in the user portal. When you click on an app tile, you will be directed to the app's page to sign in and proceed. For more information, check out our online resources.